శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 536th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Sriman Mahabharatamu Sabhaparvamu 39th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, when Sahadeva said all the kings to accept what they were doing, they were respecting Sri Krishna Paramatma, then nobody talked back to Sahadeva. There comes flowers showered from space. Then Narada Maharshi says like this, Narada Maharshi, the one who can tell about past and future, the one who can clear the doubts of everyone, the one who is most enlightened person, is now clearly saying like this, Krishnam Kamalapatraksham Narchayishyanti ye naraha Jivan mrutastu te jneyaha na sambhashyaha kadachana. Sri Krishna Paramatma, the one who has lotus-like divine beautiful eyes, and those who does not worship Sri Krishna Paramatma, though they are living, they are equal to the dead ones, and nobody should be talking to them at all. Like that, Narada Maharshi made it clear. After that, Sahadeva respected few kings. Then Sisupala started talking to all other kings with so much anger that we all should fight back with this Pandavas. And he was collecting all the kings, and he was doing all the talks with those kings to go against to Dharmaraju, to stop Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yagam, to stop Sri Krishna's worship. So when all these kings were collectively doing something against Dharmaraju, Sri Krishna Paramatma Kurvanam Samayam Krishnaha Yuddhaya Bubudhe Tada. Sri Krishna Paramatma has seen and started realizing that yes, all these kings are getting to fight against Dharmaraju. Like that, Sri Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.